The Chilkey ND65 wired mechanical keyboard is a serious contender in the 65% layout category. Right out of the box, the build quality is immediately apparent. The CNC 6063 aluminum alloy case gives it a premium feel, and the anodized finish is smooth and resistant to fingerprints. This isn't a plastic keyboard trying to look fancy, it's the real deal. The 65% layout is a sweet spot for many users. It shaves off the number pad, making it more compact and ergonomic, but retains dedicated arrow keys and a few essential navigation keys. This makes it ideal for both gaming and productivity, especially for those with limited desk space. And at just 970G, or 2.1 pounds, it's light enough to toss in a bag and take on the go. The keycaps are made of PBT plastic with a double-shot molding process. This means the legends are incredibly durable and won't fade over time, even with heavy use. PBT also has a slightly textured feel that many find more pleasant to type on than ABS plastic. One of the standout features of the ND65 is its hot swappable PCB. This allows you to easily change out the switches without any soldering. If you don't like the feel of the stock switches, you can simply pull them out and replace them with your preferred type, whether it's clicky, tactile, or linear. This makes the ND65 a great option for keyboard enthusiasts who like to experiment with different switch types. Connectivity is handled via a detachable USB-C cable, which is a modern and convenient choice. The keyboard is compatible with laptops, PCs, and even tablets, making a versatile option for various setups. While the ND65 doesn't have a ton of extra features, it focuses on the essentials and executes them well. It's a well-built, compact, and customizable keyboard that's suitable for both gaming and everyday use. If you're looking for a premium 65% mechanical keyboard that won't break the bank, the Chilkey ND65 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.